Okay, guys, good morning. So we have another lunch for Brandon today. And Brandon, show them what we are using. What box we're using today?
Yum box.
Okay, we're using Yum box. Okay, go ahead and open and let's see what's inside. All right, can you tell them what you're bringing?
We have Nutella and banana sandwich. Oh, that's little tiny. Tiny. And potato. And broccoli and oranges and bread. And my doing a water.
Okay, so Nutella banana sandwiches. I cut it into little squares again because it's easier for him to eat. We got some steamed broccoli here, oranges, pretzel chips, and I have pistachios in the center. It's his favorite nut. So that's what he's bringing to school today, and we'll see what he eats at the end of the day. Bye, guys. Hey, everyone. We are back from school, and Brandon is going to show you what he ate. Go ahead, Brandon. Show him. So we used the Yum box today. This is the original Yum box. And open. Let's go. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. So he had like 2 quadrants of the sandwich. And so he ate, I think, maybe like half of it. And then he had in here some pretzel chips. He finished all of that. He finished all of his orange. The pistachio is what he just finished just now. That was what was inside here. But his broccoli looks the same. He did not eat his broccoli. Did you eat any broccoli? Why not? So this is a problem because his old school, they used to actually make the kids eat the main course and then the vegetables and then the fruit and then all the other stuff was a snack, and then it just kind of came after. But it looks like this school, they're not really monitoring as much. It is public school and there's like a lot of kids, so totally understandable. But usually when he doesn't eat it for lunch, he either eats it right now after lunch, or I'm sorry, after we're done and he's waiting for me to make dinner, or it just gets added to his dinner. So he still gets the broccoli, guys, so we don't waste it or anything like that. But I would just wish if he would just eat it during school, during lunch. That would be even better. So comment down below, let me know if you guys have ways to get your kids to eat it or how you get to monitor them, because he gets a vegetable every day and it gets packed, but I can't get him to finish it by the time he gets home. But anyways,
I ate a broccoli.
okay, he just ate a broccoli, just one broccoli, but he will finish it later. Anyway, guys, have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.